Hi all of you, I hope you guys are great. My name is Daulat Hussain. As you can see that in this video, I'm going to explain you about the website which I have built for medical professionals. So before I start explaining about this website, I just want to show you some data and the differences between the psychological state of Indian doctor and a doctors in foreign country. So as you can see that I have done a little bit research, like I have tried to find out the doctors in New York, and what I have seen that there I got 3 ads, and here are the list of the doctors which they register themselves in a Google My Business because they know the importance of having a digital presence, and they also have their own website. So if I open their website, just let me open this one. So Steven, so this is the doctor, he's from New York. He has everything in his website. As you can see that he has call to actions like online booking system. He has listed all the services which he provide in his clinic, insurance, testimonials. So when I try to do the exact search in India, what I find, like I typed the famous search doctor near me, and here I got a couple of results, like the top 3 result of Google My Business. None of these 3 doctors have their own website. Why? My question is why they don't have their own website. Why they don't think that website is not going to help them? If they would have their own website, they can easily able to like list out all the services which they provide in their clinic, all the testimonials, online booking systems, automated booking systems. So what will happen if they will have the proper digital presence? They will get more appointments. People can easily find them. Even they can rank their website right somewhere here. They can optimize their website for local businesses and on a local area, and they will get here also. The more digital presence they will have, the better the result will be. So this is the 2 things which I want to highlight, the difference between the UK, like UK, Australia, Netherlands, New Zealand. They all have their own website. If you try to find the search, you will find their website. But when I do the exact search for the Indian doctors, I don't find anything else like that. So this website I have built mainly for the Indian doctors. It's not for only Indian doctors. Anybody can have this website. But here in this website, what I have focused that a person, individual doctor who has his clinic and he provide any kind of services, like maybe this website is totally based on the teeth, like dental clinics. So here I try to include everything in terms of designing, in terms of feature and functionality, in terms of testimonials. Everything is clearly mentioned in this website, that what are the things they're going to get. So a user can easily find them. A user can easily know about the doctors completely, about the services they provide. So as you can see, this is the home page of this website which I have built. Like this is the logo. I'm targeting the dental industry. I built this website for dental industry, so that's why this dental is here. And I'm displaying, I have created only 4 pages. Like you can create as many as you can. So home, about, services, contact, and this is a call to action. You can easily change to whatever you want. You can able to display this appointment booking system here, or if you want to like this, you just leave it as it is. Here you can easily customize, and here is the appointment booking system. So if anybody's coming from Google search or a Google My Business, want to book an appointment with you, they can simply will click here, and they will just wait for a second, and they will come to here. They can fill out their details and they can book an appointment, and you will get a notification in your email. So this is how you're going to help yourself. This is how you can make your appointment system very easy. The people can easily find you, book an appointment, and take your service very easily. If I scroll it down here we try to display about the doctor. You can display an individual doctor, but if you are a big medical, like medical consultancy, something like that, you can display about your services. It's fully customizable. Here you can display all the services which you provide in your clinic. And here is again, I try to add a call to action button like book an appointment, because this is what we have to focus. This is what we want from the website. People should book an appointment, and that way what will happen, that we can able to provide our service. We can able to like help them in their treatment. So again, I'm displaying the booking appointment. I'm scrolling here. I'm talking about the doctors, about her experiences. Again, I'm adding a call to actions. Here is the testimonials, which is very important. You have to keep in one thing in mind, that you have to design your home page in such a way where you can touch each and every section of your entire website, like testimonials, appointment, doctor, place where you want. So if I scroll it down here, you can find that they can have there is another call to action or address. They can schedule the booking appointment. And here is about the dental industry. Like here I'm displaying the social media icons where the doctor is present. Here is some quick links like about dentals, all service, dental health, testimonials. Here is the business hour timing. So this is the entire homepage of this website. If I go to the about section, so what will happen, just let me open this one. So this is how the about section is going to look like. So here you can display about your story, about your services, or about you, about your clinic. And here you can able to display the responsibility, empathy, customer service. So it's really up to you that what you want to display in your about section. Like most of the peoples and most of the dentals, they want to display their achievements in the past, some handling some critical clients and helping them in their achieving their goals or providing the proper treatment. So you can display something like that. It's totally up to you. It's fully customizable. Here we are trying to display the testimonial, because this is one of the most important thing when it's come to providing any service or providing it into a medical industry. So testimonials, this section remain the same. If I go to the service section, you can able to find it out. Just wait. Here you can able to display all the services which you provide in your clinic, and we included this call to action, book an appointment. So if someone's click a book an appointment, they will go to that page and they can book an appointment very easily. This is a contact page. If someone's want to contact, so they can easily contact you from here, and you can also display that form right up here. If you want, you can. If you don't want, you can display your image or your some testimonials also you can do. Here is the Google Maps, so someone wants to visit your clinic, they can easily go to this direction. The bottom remains the same. So this is how this simple dental clinic website is going to be for you. Trust me, this one little thing can give you amazing digital presence, and that will help you to bring a lot of appointment, because that's what you want. You want to people book an appointment and you can provide your service. So I must tell you that if you're a doctor, no matter what location you locate, whether you are from tier 1 city, tier 2 city, a tier 3 city, you must have to have your website. So this website is fully customizable as per your requirement. If you are a dentist, you can go with the same layout. If you are a cardiologist, you can change the images. If you like this color, you can be with that. Otherwise, you can change the color also. Trust me, no matter what kind of services you provide, you are a fitness consultant, marketing consultant, it's fully optimizable for them to provide the service in the best possible manner. So I must recommend you to have this website. And if you provide your service, and if you really want to have your growth in a long run, because everything is moving digitally in today's times, if you don't be present on a digital platform, you will be soon obsolete from the market. Because for buying a pen to buying a jet, we all do research on Google, we all do Googling, and then we finalize that which brand is good, which person is good to take the service. We check the testimonials, the review, a lot of things we do, and then we finalize that now this man worth our money, and then we go with that. So do a proper analysis. You must need a website if you really want to provide your service in a best possible manner. So I hope you have liked this video, and in the next video I would like to show you the advanced booking feature of a website which I have built, because this website is for normal doctors, where they can, an individual person can come and book an appointment and you can provide your service. But what if you have multi doctors in your clinic and you have divided your service as per the doctors? So in the next video I will tell you that how you can have that advanced multi-booking system in your website that will make your ease, and the people can find the doctor who they want to take the service with, because this is what we have to focus when you have a big dental clinic. So I hope you have liked this video, and trust me that this is the thing which you have to have in this 2021 if you really want to provide your service. So I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and write down your queries in the comment section. I would love to come up with that. And if anybody wants to have this website, and if anybody wants me to build your website, just do contact me. I will provide my contact details somewhere up, so you can easily find that and you can contact me, and I would love to help you in building the website. It's totally fully customizable. It's totally up to you that what are the feature and functionality you want. If you don't like this, we have a lot of design for you. I can display that all. You can pick whatever you like. So see you in the next video, where I'm going to show you that how you can use advanced booking system. It will help you to increase your knowledge, and so you can easily able to have in your website. So see you in the next video, and give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.